All right, recording number 2. Here we go. Come on, Blake. You can do it.
No.
Come on. Come on.
Hey, what's this in my hand?
That's
I don't know.
That's a Billy Bob Jr.
What is it?
A Quandale Dingle.
What's this?
A supercalifragic.
Let's go.
A phone. Hey, look, an anthill. What's good, bro? Let me dab you up. Hold on, I gotta dab up the anthill.
What the fuck?
What?
I see a mosquito.
Oh no.
What's this? What's this in my hand?
That's a branch.
That's a leaf. What is it? A leaf.
A leaf.
What is it? A leaf.
Quandale Dingle. Let's go. Look at this big old anthill. You good? Oh shit, look at that hair, my guy.
I'm bleeding.
Let me kiss it better.
Kiss it.
No.
What the fuck?
What?
Something's biting me. There's a bunch of red dots all over me. Maybe that's why my leg has been hurting.
Or maybe it's because the spikies. Because your pants aren't your pants are very thin, man.
Ow.
And there are absolutely massive spikes in here.
Probably.
Okay, let's go. You'll be fine. Ooh. We get to go up.
Oh, we've never been up before.
I've only been down.
I got mega leg hair.
Oh, yeah?
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
I got quite a bit, but my legs are white, which is very weird because none of my hair in my body is white.
Why is it so hot in here?
I don't know.
It's very warm in here. Ah.
Just let me.
Whoa.
What?
I don't know.
I don't know. Whoa. I don't know.
We can walk into the wild.
Oh, I remember this spot. This is where I ran out of existence. That's where I ran for my life.
In the natural habitat.
Oh, shit. This is where I seen that big red thing.
Okay, we're just gonna get real chill.
Everybody get a stick.
There's a spider web. You just invaded his home.
Do you like mine?
Ah, that thing is painful. Jesus. Yeah, that's what your red spots are from. These bruises.
I cut my finger open. Did I break my finger?
Everybody get a stick.
Did I break my finger?
Get a stick. We're approaching red things territory.
Ah.
Holy shit. This place is actually kind of scary. That's where I've seen it.
Oh, I hate all the sticks around me.
Why am I actually scared?
Hey, you guys.
This isn't.
Hey, I got my stick. You guys protect my
Do you hear that?
I gotta.
My stick's not
I got
that big. So. You have to protect me.
Okay, Blake, you have to run first. Okay.
Run! No!
Yeah, you have to
got my
run
gun.
off
I got
first,
my gun. Hey,
considering that you're all the way over there.
look at my gun.
Nice.
I'm scared about your gun.
Shut up.
Should have brought a real. Oh Jesus.
We need to figure out what these things are, okay, guys?
They don't look friendly.
First, what? I don't feel safe.
Go onward.
Oh, that's why. Oh.
What?
Ah, the field.
You mean the tall grass?
Yes, tall grass.
I hate tall grass.
Whoa, whoa.
Wait,
Oh, hey,
What?
chill.
I'll try to
What?
scare it.
Chill, grass.
That was me.
Yo.
That was me.
That was you?
Yeah.
You really just did me that dirty?
Oh shit.
We should go.
Oh.
That was you, Blake. That was you for sure, right? Just to make sure.
Wait.
I'm not okay.
Where
This
these tape
is around the same spot. Move over.
Hmm?
I'm not going in that field. We're stuck.
The only place we could go.
Oh, I remember which.
That was.
Stop doing that.
I remember which way it was.
My weapon.
We're in the wrong direction.
Over here, guys.
What?
Let's go to the tall grass place first.
I'm not going into a tall grass place. Okay, 5 minutes long. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Nobody likes you. It's too deep. If one of us get kidnapped, we're not gonna be able to see.
come on.
I physically can't. Come on.
What?
Shut up. God damn it. You really trust this?
No.
This isn't a pathway. You're making the pathway.
I know. That's how pathways get started. You make it.
What the that?
What? Hearing something or seeing something?
Guys, come on.
Oh my god, I see eyes.
Don't be
Where?
pussy.
In there.
Let's go.
Blake, we're gonna fucking die in here because of you.
It's too deep. We're gonna get kidnapped and never see each other again. But
Oh shit.
oh, okay.
Ow.
That's a hole.
Keegan, look what you just did to me. Look at my face. You're like this.
Go.
Keegan.
Yeah.
You're like this. Look at my face up there. You're like,
Where'd it go? Here's someone running from beside us.
Oh, that was me.